Defend, defend. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Yes, nice, 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 nice. Hey! Hey! Defend, 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 defend. Defend, get the ball. Dapat synchronize, anak. Anak, magano ka naman. Kumuha ka ng bola.
Bro, it's like calling your butler. Butler, I need assist. Go!
Hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Bro, stop acting like you're tough. You're a bum. This guy's screaming like he's a leader. This guy ain't no leader, bro. Oh! Wow, where's the foul, bro? Where's the foul?
Walang foul. Wala, wala, wala.
I feel kind of bad for your ball, bro.
Wala, 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 wala. Rebound, rebound, rebound. Takbo, anak, takbo. Oh, yes.
Yeah, bro, there ain't no...
Wala bang shoot yan?
Did he flop? Was that a flop or...
Sino ka sa Anching?
Yeah, I know flop. Bro, if there wasn't no 24 and 1, we would not be down. Sigahan mo, bro.
Drive, 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 drive! Shoot! Yan! Akin na, defend, 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 defend! Hands up, hands up, hands up! Yes, yes, takbo!
I feel like everyone on Hala is trying to do it with you. Your vibes, bro. Mo 67. Oh. 67. They got towards with Mr. 67. 67.
Lakasan mo pa, lakasan mo. Back out, back out! Back out!
68 now. I'm 68 now. 69 and 67 are both popular, but
Red, red, red!
yeah, you're a noble number.
Get the ball, get the ball! Get the ball, defense! Defense! Tutok, tutok, tutok! Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up! Step in! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Bantayan niya, 4 seconds! 4 seconds, 4 seconds! Hands up, hands up, hands up, get the ball! Technical, yes, yes.
No.
Na-technical, yabang kasi niya.
Who got tech?
Sa Mohara. Shoot mo yan, shoot mo yan.
Mom, there's 5 techs in this game.
Sure ball, sure ball.
Please, Khalil.
Yes.
You know sabi ni Kuya Gapwa? Si Muhammad Khalil. You know yung coach, captain ako. The one sinasabi. You know sabi?
Takbo, takbo, takbo!
More than you is
Takbo, takbo!
It's kind of goofy, I can't lie. Huh? So that's...
Kaya mo na, anak, kaya mo na.
Bro.
Defense, defense, defense! Get the ball, get the ball! Get the ball! Rebound, rebound, rebound!
So hungry. So hungry. Shall we?
Bola.
Okay.
Tuloy mo, akin na yan. Ganyan mo. Ice cream, ice cream. Para kasing nahihiya, yakin na. Takbo, anak, takbo. Takbo doon.
Amero.
Get the ball, yes, yes. Get the ball, hands up, hands up. Step in. Rebound, rebound, rebound. 3 seconds. Bakit lagi nilang nare-rebound? 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. Di ba dapat 3 seconds na yun?
No, Mom. It's because of rebound. It's because he shot the
Shoot it,
ball.
shoot it, shoot it. Dapat yung right niya. Habol, habol. Paris, drive.
Paris.
Paris ba yan, Ahmad?
It's Paris. No. Number 4?
Oh.
It's
Amir? Paris ako ng Paris eh.
Where's the rebound? Wait, where's the rebound?
Dapat 3 seconds yun eh. Hindi niya pa napasa agad eh.
No. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Kanina, nung minarang na siya. 3 seconds yun eh.
3 seconds because there's no shot there. But Mom, he attempted a shot.
No, nakaganon siya.
Oh, what do you say? What do you say?
Back down, back down, back down. Back down. Takbo, takbo! Sige na, kaya mo yan! Yes! Di pumasok, hindi ko napicturan.
Yay!
Diba, diba! Diba! Yes! Sige na! Out. Ha! Shoot, shoot!
Why do you love smacking things on the face when you run?
Pogi kasi. Hey, hey!
Please not fall. Please not fall. Yes.
Hey, ha? Ano yung mukha mo dyan?
Sino?
Yun ang ano sa mukha ni Kuya Paul.
I mean, that's what I... Go, Paul. Yes, Salam. Yes, Salam.
Viral ka, viral. Viral.
Ayun po.
Shoot, anak, shoot. Ang sayang.
Ay, sayang.
Okay lang, okay lang. Okay, bye. Hands up. Hands up, get the ball!
Ali telling... No, not outside. Ali. Right? Yeah, bro, you know Ali? Not safety. Bro, you know him, right? You know his trophy? Oh my God. We need to have his trophy. I feel like we can still come back.
Amir, drive!
Not a minute. Yeah, you're right. Doesn't matter. What are you talking about? That's in order, bro. What? Why is it That was a really bad pass.
Shoot na.
That was a really bad pass.
Shoot it, shoot it!
Oh, it's not a match. It's not a match.
3 points. Shoot it, Paris.
Whoa!
Yes.
It's Ali. It's Amir, mom. It's not Paris.
Amir pala. Paris ako.
Oh no, quit pass up down. No, it's not.
Yeah, you're gonna.
Sakit na ng panga ni Kuya Paul.
Hey, but why don't these guys just play 2 in a row? No, why don't we do three
Defend!
3 in a row?